So I got these super cute loungewear sweatpants from Goodwill for literally $4.29. And I'm about to recreate them to be some bomb champion sweatshorts, which online they're like $40-something. But let me show you this hack real quick. I started off by measuring how long I wanted these sweatshorts to be. So since I'm already wearing another pair of sweatshorts, I figured the length of those would be a perfect length for these champion dupes. I plop them back on. Just extend the length because accuracy is key, especially when you're flipping an outfit. You definitely don't want to make your lines too short because you can't get the fabric back. It's always best to cut longer and just snip away what you don't want at the end. Even though I had my markings and lines, I still somehow cut the other side a little bit longer. I think it was kind of on purpose. But now I'm doing like a faux hem just to see where it would be after hemming the pants or shorts. And I'm starting to really like it. It's starting to look like something, you know? Y'all, look at me about to expose myself. So then I decided to flip the pant over with the right length upward and flatten the other side just to make sure that the line is straight and crisp. And it looks pretty good. Y'all, don't tell nobody. This is our little secret. These are my T-pins for making wigs, okay? But a T-pin is a T-pin. You're literally gonna fold the tip of your pants upward and then pin it in place. And it's really easy. I'm in terrible and awkward positions for this, but it is what it is. And I measured it all around to make sure that the length is accurate. And it's about 1/2 inch all the way around. Now for the stitch or the sewing, the easiest sewing method I could find is the running stitch. This is literally as if you're a fish bobbing in and out of water, and that's all you're doing, bobbing the needle in and out and then pulling it once you can't bob it in anymore. And then I make a knot or a loop knot at the end. I don't know what it's really called, but just a knot. And it looks pretty good. Now I'm repeating the same steps on the other leg, hemming the ends or pinning it in place. And then, as I said before, bobbing the needle in and out just to get a perfect running stitch in a line. Now a tip, if you guys do have like white eyeliner or something that's washable, you can use that to make a line just to make sure that you're moving the needle in a straight line all the way across the leg or the hem of the pants or shorts. Or you could freehand it like myself, but you would have to pay very, very close attention and make sure that the line is super straight because you don't want to walk around with an uneven hemmed shorts. And there we go. It looks pretty good. Kind of professional. So because these were thrifted, my assumption is this person was thick like your girl, okay? So the inner thigh, the inner leg had the little roly-polies, and it happens to the best of us. So because I wanted them to look new and fresh, I had these razors in the house, but I actually purchased them from the beauty supply store. And it looks like I'm moving really fast and aggressively, but I'm really moving at a steady pace and just scraped it off. And it looks good as new. Now for the part we've all been waiting for, the champion stickers. So I purchased these from Amazon. The link will be in the description box. I received an assortment of champion stickers, 23 of them, for around $14.99, which is a really good deal. So I wanted to make these look as authentic as possible according to what I've seen online. And they're actually $40-something online, you guys. That's really crazy. So I started by placing another garment on top of it and added heat, but somehow that didn't work. So I went ahead and pressed the iron right on top of the sticker. And I swirled it around just to make sure that the rest of the shorts isn't burnt while just resting it there. And voila, it worked. So that's it. That's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give me a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe and hit the notification bell if you guys would love to see more. And also, you can always leave a comment and a shout out, and I'll definitely reach out to you guys. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you next time.